Distinguished participants of the conference, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the University of Tampere, I have the great pleasure of welcoming you all to the second International Tampere Conference in Statistics, which has been prepared by the Department of Mathematical Sciences, Section Statistics of our university, and by Professor Jarmo Visakorpi and his staff. When I gave the welcome address to the first Tampere Conference in Statistics at August 13, 1983, I presented the wish that the first conference, if successful, will be followed by a second one. And this has now happening. In Finland, in a country of short history of civilization, yes, actually we are living now the memorial year of our 70th year of independence. And in this rather young university, foundation of which goes back only 62 years, we consider everything which happens twicely already as tradition. Now I wish again continuation for this newly established tradition of meetings in statistics in Tampere. The universities in Finland, as in many other countries too, are living just now under hard external pressure for change. The rapidly changing society, which has to be faced by several new problems along the development of high technology and automatization, requires that the concepts of effectiveness and efficiency must also be brought inside the traditional university walls. During the past 20 years, the strategy in higher education in Finland has been a quantitative increase of the system, spreading it from Helsinki to Tampere and Turku, and then throughout the whole large country. The new strategy, according to the new law for development of Finnish universities, valid from the beginning of this year, does not call for much quantitative increase, but rather a qualitative deepening of existing institutions. It changes the weight to graduate and postgraduate scientific studies and to research in general. In this context, it is extremely important that we are developing our international relations. Good and well-operating international relations are important for research everywhere, even for scientists in USA and USSR. But they are essential for scientists from a small country like Finland, which produce, according to some statistical evaluations, only 0.5% of the total world scientific output. Thus, I am very grateful to the Department of Mathematics and to Professor Visakorpi and his crew that they have once again organized this event, which certainly will be an important incentive for research in statistics in our university, in Finland, and hopeful also in the whole scientific community of the world. I am especially grateful to the many international well-known scientists who, as keynote speakers or invited speakers, will give the good reputation to this conference. Due to this reputation, we shall have here 230 active participants and about 100 speakers from 26 countries around the world. Among these speakers, there are many whom we could consider already as old friends of Finland and of this university. Let's hope that there will be many more friends after this meeting. Finland, being rather far from the big centers of the world, want to be a place for gathering of scientists from east and west, from south and north. Let's make here in Tampere during these days a scientific community of statisticians without any political borders, for deepening the art of science and increasing the mutual understanding. I wish the best of luck to this conference, and I hope there will be fruitful scientific discussions during these 3.5 days, and some free time also left for seeing the city of Tampere and its surroundings, so that you can really feel the early Nordic light green summer during almost nightless days. The summer started today, this morning, this very morning. Thank you.